So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of your missing settings in NVIDIA control panel. Now, if I show you my NVIDIA control panel, you'll notice that some of the special settings that are available on the NVIDIA control panel are missing in my case. Now, in order to get that back, here you can see in my control panel, I'll find some of the settings are missing in this panel. So in order to get that back, just simply right click on the start button and hit on this option of device manager. Inside the device manager, you need to find the display adapters option. Inside here, click on this option of NVIDIA GeForce RTX or whatever version you have of NVIDIA. Right click over there and hit on this option of update drivers. Hit on this option of search automatically for drivers. Once you do it, you will notice that your problem will definitely get solved.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.